So today we are celebrating
Ramanavami.
Sunday, huh? No. Ramanavami, yes. It is called Sri Ramanavami, not just Ramanavami.
Srinath.
Yes. The Tithi of Ashtami and Navami are considered inauspicious for any good things. Usually you don't see Graha Pravesha or weddings, any of that on Ashtami or Navami. So these two Tithis went to the Lord and said, what bad did we do? Why are people not considering us for any auspicious things? So the Lord said, I will appear on you two Tithis. So what are the two Tithis? First is Ashtami. What is that? Janmashtami. And Navami,
Ramanavami.
Sri Ramanavami. Whenever you say Krishna's birthday, you always add the word Shri. Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Sri Ramanavami. Yes. Okay? Thank you, Prabhu. Jai Shri Prabhupada. This mala is not for me. It is for Vyasadev. This is called a Vyasa Asana. Right? This is not for me. This is for all the acharyas. Okay? How many of you have been in a Bhagavatam class? Srimad Bhagavatam class. I know it is Bhagavad Gita here. Anybody has been a part of Srimad Bhagavatam? Okay, thank you, Prabhu. So today you are in luck because we are going to discuss the holy text of Srimad Bhagavatam. The Srimad Bhagavatam is considered the Amala Purana. It is considered an evergreen Purana. And the Bhagavatam itself, it is said the first two cantos are the Lord's hands. Like that, the 12 cantos form the entire body of Krishna. So those who don't have Srimad Bhagavatam at your home, please buy it. It is non-different from Krishna. Okay? Hey, pehle ro mein nahi karna. Okay. So it is considered Amala Purana. So we are going to discuss the glories of Lord Sri Ramachandra from Srimad Bhagavatam. Before that, we will do the Kirtan and then we will offer our prayers to the Acharyas and then we will start the discussion. Okay? Anybody here don't know Ramayana? Not your house Ramayana, the real Ramayana. Huh? Everybody knows Ramayana? Yes. Okay? The Ravana kidnapped Draupadi, correct? Huh? Correct, huh? Okay. Just follow this kirtan with me. This is a special kirtan for Lord Sri Ram. Hari, Hari, Hari. Can you hear me at the back? Anybody don't know English? किसी को अंग्रेजी नहीं आती? आता आती है अंग्रेजी? Everybody okay? Fine, awesome. माता जी थोड़ा कृपा कीजिए, कोई बाजू में पूछ लीजिए ना हमको. आप एक आदमी के लिए हम अनुवाद करेंगे तो मेरा हिंदी भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है.
प्रभु जी मिक्स कर दीजिए ना, उनको भी एक आदमी में बैठनी चाहिए ना यहाँ पर.
सीताराम 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 ओ सीताराम 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 ओ सीताराम 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 ओ रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम 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 ओ सीताराम 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे आवाज नहीं आ रहा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जोर से हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम जय जय राम सीता राम जय जय राम जय जय राम सीता राम जय जय राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जोर से हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे दिल से बोलो राजा रामचंद्र भगवान की रम्यते इति रामाः. You know what does the word Rama mean? जिस नाम को बोलने से खुश आता है उसको रामा बोलते. रम्यते that means it is very ramya to your heart. Rama means pleasure, that name Rama Nama. Okay, all of us are happy now. Why?
बहुत अच्छा हुआ
How much money did you spend? Why are you happy? This is the spiritual secret. Okay, so thank you very much for coming. Wonderful evening. Thank you for making time. I know it is very hard. You have to move things around to make this happen. Sunday evening, you have to plan for Monday. Take care of the kids, vegetables, sabji, grocery, everything. And you move things around so that you are here for Lord Ram. And Lord Ram knows that. Okay? So on behalf of the HSR ISKCON Center, I welcome you all for a wonderful evening discussion on the Maryada Purushottam Lord Sri Ramachandra Murthy. Okay? It's called Bhagwan Sri Ram. Okay? Right? So we'll start with the discussion. We are starting to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, 19th chapter, 7th shloka. Okay? हिंदी में कोई बोले? 5वें खंड, 19 चैप्टर. ओके, राइट. जिनके पास हिंदी, ये इंग्लिश में रहेगा, जिनको हिंदी अनुवाद चाहिए आपका फोन में देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो बिफोर रीडिंग श्रीमद् भागवतम देयर इज अ सेट ऑफ श्लोकास दैट वी हैव टू चैंट बिफोर रीडिंग भागवतम. Some other day I'll explain what this shloka mean, but right now let us chant this shloka. Okay? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskrit नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैशिकी शृण्वतां स्वकथा कृष्ण पुण्यश्रवण कीर्तनः हृदीयन्तस्तु हि अभद्रम् विद्नोति सुहृदः सताम् एवरीबॉडी कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे कृष्ण। न जन्म नूनं महतो न सौभाग्यं न वान् न बुद्धिर् न कृतिस् तोष हेतुः तैर्यत् विश्रुतान् अपि नो वनकौशस् चकरा सखे बत लक्ष्मण ग्रहजः न जन्म नूनं महतो न सभागम् न वा न बुद्धिर्न कृतिस्तोष हेतुः तैर्यद्विश्रुतानपि नो वनक्षौषस् चकरा सख्ये बत लक्ष्मणाग्रजाः। We'll go for the word by word translation. Na, not, janma, birth in a very polished aristocratic family. Noonam, indeed, mahataha, of the supreme personality of Godhead. Na, nor, saubhagham, great fortune. Na, nor, vak, an elegant manner of speaking. Na, nor, buddhihi, sharpness of intelligence. Na, not, akritihi, features of the body. Tosha hetuhu, the cause of pleasure to the Lord. Taihi, by all those above mentioned qualities. Yat, because Vishrishtan, rejected. Api, although. Na, us. Vana Okshaha, the inhabitants of the forest. Chakara, accepted. Sakhe, in friendship. Bata, alas. Lakshmana Agrajaha, Lord Shri Ramachandra, the eldest brother of Lakshmana. So this is spoken by the Vanaras. जो बंदर सेना थे वो बोल रहे हैं। Translation purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Translation. One cannot establish a friendship with the Supreme Lord Ramachandra on basis of material qualities such as one's birth in an aristocratic family, one's personal beauty, one's eloquence, one's sharp intelligence, or one's superior race or nation. None of these qualifications is actually prerequisite for the friendship with Lord Sri Ramachandra. Otherwise, how is it possible that although we uncivilized inhabitants of the forest have not taken noble births, although we have no physical beauty, and although we cannot speak like gentlemen, Lord Ramachandra has nevertheless accepted us friends. Purport. In a prayer to Krishna expressing her feelings, Srimati Kunti Devi called him Akinchana Gochara. The prefix a means not, and Kinchana means something out of this material world. One may be very proud of his prestigious position, material wealth, beauty, education, and so on. But although these are certainly good qualifications in material dealings, they are not necessary for achieving friendship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One who possesses all these material qualities is expected to become a devotee, and he actually does. These qualities are properly utilized. Those who are puffed up by high birth, wealth, education, and personal beauty, Janmaishwarya Shruta Shri, unfortunately do not care for developing Krishna consciousness, nor does the Supreme Personality of Godhead care about these material qualifications. The Supreme Lord is achieved by devotion. Bhaktyamam abhijanati. One's devotion and sincere desire to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead are the only qualifications. Rupa Goswami has also said that the price for achieving God's favor is simply one's sincere eagerness to have it. Laulyam ekam mulyam. In the Chaitanya Bhagavata it is said, Kolavecha sevakara dekha bhagya sima, Brahma Shiva kande yara dekhiye mahima, Dhane jane panditye Krishna nai pahi, Kevala bhaktira vasa Chaitanya Gosai. Behold the great fortune of the devotee Kolavecha. Lord Brahma and Shiva shed tears upon seeing his greatness. One cannot attain Lord Shri Krishna by any amount of wealth, followers, or learning. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is controlled by pure devotion. Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had a very sincere devotee whose name was Kolavecha Sridhara, and whose only business was to sell pots made of skin of banana trees. Whatever income he had, he used 50% for the worship of Mother Ganges, and the other 50% he provided for his necessities. On the whole, he was very poor that he lived in a cottage that had a broken roof with many holes in it. He could not afford brass utensils, and therefore he drank water from an iron pond. Nevertheless, he was a great devotee of Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here is a typical example of how poor man with no material possessions can become the most exalted devotee of the Lord. The conclusion is that one cannot attain the lotus feet. Please pay focus on this line. The conclusion is that one cannot attain at the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna or Shri Chaitanya Gosai through material opulence. That shelter is attainable only by pure devotional service. Anya vilasta shunyam jnana karmadi anavritam anukulena Krishnam Shiranam Bhaktir Uttama. One should render transcendental loving service to the Supreme Lord Krishna favorably and without desire for material profit or gain through fruitive activities or philosophical speculation. That is called pure devotional service. I think you get the idea of what the shloka is, right? Om Ajnana Timradasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshadarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. ओके थोड़ा हिंदी मिक्स करता हूँ, लेकिन ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश में ही बोलेंगे. What is the qualification to get a job? Software job, for example. Skill? Engineering degree? Yeah? Engineering degree? Correct? What is the qualification to buy a property in HSR?
Money. No qualification. Money.
Money. How much money? 80 lakhs? 2 crores? Okay. 5 crores. Okay. Now, what is the qualification to get Krishna Bhakti?
Only surrender.
That is what this shloka says. Right? The Lord has an amazing virtue that He does not care for your material qualifications. You could be a MLA, minister, you could have all the wealth in the world. You could be very qualified. Sir, I am very good in English. Sir, I am so beautiful, I am so handsome. I am Hrithik Roshan. Sir, I am Aishwarya Rai. Sir, I am Bill Gates. Sir, I am Virat Kohli. A very good batsman. These qualifications do not matter to Krishna. Now let us take the Ramayana for example. Lord Ram is an incarnation of Lord Krishna. Okay? As stated in the Brahma Samhita prayers. Please repeat after me. Ramadimurtishu kala niyamena tishtan. Ramadimurtishu kala niyamena tishtan. Nanavataram akarot Bhuvaneshu kintu Krishna swayam sambhavat parama pumanyo Parama pumanyo Govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. This is the Brahma Samhita prayers we chant during the Abhishekam of the Lord. Right? When you do Abhishekam, you chant these prayers. Okay? I worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead Govinda, who is always situated in incarnations like Rama, Narsimha, and many other sub-incarnations as well. But who is the original personality of Godhead known as Krishna and who incarnates personally also. Right? Krishna is the Swayam Bhagavan. So Lord Ramachandra is not different from Krishna. Okay? Right? So they are one and the same. They are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So why does the Lord incarnate? The Lord incarnates to show who He is, what He is capable of, what is His expectation, what are His pastimes, Leela. What Leela He does so that we can discuss about Him and develop an attachment towards Krishna. The Lord incarnates Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Right? He comes again and again so that we remember who He is. Okay? That is His incarnation. Also, He shows what His devotees are made of. He doesn't have doctorates and PhDs and beauty queens and whatever as His devotees. The Lord has, in Ramayana, what are the different devotees you can think about? Ramayana? All of you told you know Ramayana. Jatayu, Hanuman, Vibhishan. So first one you said was, who was it? Jatayu. What was Jatayu? What bird?
Eagle.
He was a vulture. That too very old vulture. He was almost at the dying age, deathbed vulture. Then who was the next one? Hanuman. What is Hanuman? Vanara. Correct? Next one.
Vibhishan.
What is Vibhishana?
Rama.
Rakshasa. Then who else? Next.
Shabri.
Shabri, old tribal woman.
Squirrel is also.
Squirrel, Gilahari. और क्या?
Sugriva.
सुग्रीवा, हाँ.
Jaman.
जाम्बवान. क्या है वो जाम्बवान?
Bear.
भालू. हाँ. Then what else?
Angar.
Angada. No. Then Guha. What was Guha? He was the head of the tribal boatsman.
Sadlal.
Huh? Ah, not getting answers. People in the back, balcony seat. Huh? So if you see on most of these devotees, and even outside Ramayana, if you see Gajendra, the elephant, right? So there are so many, not even human beings who are pure devotees of the Lord. Correct? So, as per the shloka, the Lord does not have any requirements of qualifications. I am new, I am old, I am Telugu, I am Kannada, I am Muslim, I am Christian, I am Italian, I am Chinese, I am Australian. Doesn't matter to Krishna. In fact, there is a book called Muslim Devotees of Krishna. I don't know how many of you have read it. There is a book available. Next time I'll bring it. There's so many people who are pure devotees of Krishna who are lower than a blade of grass, but they are the pure devotee. Now, Srila Prabhupada compares this. Okay? If you see what are the Vanaras doing? If you see the last line, right? Lord Ramachandra is the Tilaka of Raghukula. He is the darling of Ayodhya. Right? He has such a huge palace, so many servants, and he was, prince, basically, Yuvaraja, right? And he is the Raghukula Tilaka. In fact, there is a conversation, we'll talk about it later. There is a conversation between Narada Muni and Vyasa, Valmiki. That is how the entire Valmiki Ramayana starts. The Valmiki Ramayana starts where Valmiki asks Narada, hey Narada, is there any person on this Bhuloka who's perfect in all ways? Right? In his qualities, in his features, in his dealings with others. Narada Muni said, yes, there is one person. He is born in the family of Ikshvaku, the Sun dynasty. Surya Vamsha. And he says he is all this, and along with that he is a Eka Patni Vrata. Dasharatha had 60,000 wives. Right? But Rama took the Vrata of Eka Patni. So he is perfect in all types, and he lists 67 pure qualities of Lord Ram, which is considered great qualities. माताजी माफ कीजिए मैं पूरा अंग्रेजी में बोल रहा हूँ नहीं so he is called Maryade Purushottama. Okay, now a person who's these Vanaras are pure devotees. Why do you say that? They don't have any qualifications. Imagine a monkey from the forest, how it will be. Do they look good? Do they speak good? If you give a monkey a banana, how does it eat? Does it remove the skin like us and eat? How does a monkey eat the banana? Have anybody seen? बंदर केला कैसे खाता है? ये तो KG1 में पूछते हैं यार. हाँ, उसको पूरा हलवा बना के आधा बनाना नीचे डाल देता है. So they don't know how to eat properly. They don't look good. See, what are they say? They are not born in an aristocratic family. They do not have personal beauty nor eloquence. What is eloquence? Vak Shuddhi. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा लगता है जाके घर में नहाना है. Right? Some people speak like that, no? You know? So devotee speaks very nicely, but these monkeys are saying we can't even speak nicely. Right? Nor do they have sharp intelligence. What does a monkey do? You throw something, what does it do? It throws it back at you. Copies, right? So they don't know. Nor superior race or nation. Right? These Vanarasenas. Right? So the pure devotee of the Lord does not need any of these qualifications. So what does he need? That is also said here. What is it? The Supreme Lord is achieved by devotion. Bhakti. Bhaktya mam abhijanati. Okay? So without devotion, the Supreme Lord is unattainable. Now, there is a whole set of so-called Ram devotees, right, who go and fight with other religions. Are they pure devotees? We are Ram Bhakts and we will kill you. Is that a Ram Bhakta? We'll discuss that. What does Lord Ram stand for? If you are a pure devotee of the Lord, you try to imbibe some of his qualities. Right? Lord Ram did not go and ask you to kill all the other people. No. This is wrong devotion. So what is the feast that he's asking? He's asking Shraddhavan Jana Hai, Shraddhavan Jana Hai. That is what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. Nadia Gudruma Nitya Nanda Mahajan. He says all that is required for this devotion is devotion, Shraddhavan. Okay? What is the other thing that is required? Are the Vanaras talking good about themselves? प्रभु जी मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ, जब मैं खीर बनाता हूँ ना, सभी लोग उतना अच्छा बोलते हैं, प्रभु जी कितना अच्छा रहता मालूम. There are some people who cannot stop talking about themselves. You will start getting bleeding in your ears. When I wear this dress, everybody appreciates me. Whenever I go, the whole place becomes happy. Blah 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 blah. Those who are in corporate world will know all this, right? They put a PPT about themselves, saying that I am this, I am that, I am so good. But a pure devotee always finds fault in himself and glorifies the Lord. Outside world is find fault in others and appreciate yourself. Krishna consciousness is appreciate others and find fault with yourself. Do you understand the difference? So, Srila Prabhupada uses this example. When you find and realize the mistakes yourself, the Lord is ready to bless you with opulent blessings. जैसे कोई फ्री में दूध दे रहा है, somebody is giving free milk. Will you take a half empty vessel or a full empty vessel? जितना भरा हुआ बर्तन लेके जाएगा उतना कम दूध मिलेगा तेरे को, है ना? जो जितना कमी हमको समझते हैं उतना हमको बकश मिलेगा. बकश बोलते हैं ना उसको, मर्सी. The more insignificant you think about yourself, the more blessings you receive. What is that shloka? Trinadapi sunichena tarorapi sahishuna amanina manadena kirtanya sada harihi. Lower than a blade of grass, more tolerant than a tree. Kirtanya sada harihi. That is when so if you can see the Vanaras are here saying we are not at all qualified. If you see there's a song written by Srila Prabhupada on the port of Boston. Anybody read it? Right? Anybody remember that shloka? What that song? Okay, homework. So in that song he says, I am not at all eligible to spread the holy name in such a materially downtrodden place. But Krishna, you have a plan, you brought me here. Make me dance, I will dance according to your tune. So a devotee always feels he is an instrument in the hand of Krishna. Like Krishna has a flute, right? The flute can play itself. Only it is Krishna's air that makes the flute sing. Similarly, we are all just instruments in the hand of the Lord. So, a devotee always thinks, I am not at all qualified. Only the Lord will enable me to do it. Okay? Very good example. All of us know Sudhama. How many of you know Sudhama? In Tamil it is called Kuchela. Sudhama. किसी को पता है कहानी नहीं? Everybody knows or should I? Prabhuji, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So Sudhama goes and he's feeling, you know what he carries, right? He carries poha, right? Avalaki. Avalaki, small bag he carries. He's very, very embarrassed to go in front of Krishna. And Krishna welcomes him so warmly, and then they both share loving exchanges. And then Krishna asks, Sudama, what did you bring for me? Sudama said, very dirty piece of cloth. He has some 4 or 5 days back. Avalaki, right? क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में उसको? चिवड़ा. हाँ, चिवड़ा. He brings up चिवड़ा. उसमें कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा उग्रन है. मतलब उसमें तड़का लगा है बस. क्योंकि घर में कुछ नहीं है, सामान वगैरह कुछ नहीं है घर में. ये अवलकी भी, ये चिवड़ा भी 4 लोग में जाके 4 घर में मधुखीरी करके लेके आए. हाँ, तो मधुकर की उनकी पत्नी क्या बोलती है, सभी पड़ोसियों के पास जाके, मेरा पतिदेव, he wants to go see कृष्णा, आप कुछ दे सकते हैं क्या? ऐसा मांग के लेके आते हैं चिवड़ा. उस चिवड़ा को गंदा कपड़ा में बांध के, he takes it to Krishna and he is so embarrassed. Lifelong friend, he is full of tears. And Krishna says, hey Sudama, come. Hey, so long man, come here. And he washes his feet. And he says, Sudama, first please eat. He feeds him. Then he says, chalo aap बैठ के बात करते हैं. Then last में he says, what did you bring for me? Then Krishna, don't take me bad. This is all I have. Please take. Oh wow! And Krishna puts in the mouth and he feels, this is the best chivda I have ever eaten. Not because the way it was prepared, but the way it was offered. So the second line of Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. What is the next one? Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. Yome Bhaktya. So it doesn't matter if you offer him an elephant, but it has to be with love. Otherwise, you can bring the best food, but if it's not offered with love, gone. So Krishna, since Sudama offered it with so much love, then Sudama comes home, and you know what was the condition? His wife said, it is okay if you and me starve, but what wrong will these children do? Go and get something for them. They are starving. So now Sudama comes out of the palace. He did not ask anything to Krishna. See, this is a pure devotee. He did not ask anything to Krishna. There's a wonderful Bhagavatam shloka. In that, he sits under a tree. घर में जाएगा तो already बीवी, all the men are scared to go home after office. And now he did not take anything. So he's worried. But he thinks, I did not ask anything, but Krishna also did not give me anything. Then see how a devotee thinks. You know why he did not give me anything? Because if he gave me something, I will think Krishna gave me this and I will become proud, gamand. So that is the reason Krishna wants me to be in this state, so I constantly think of him. And then he goes home, you know what happened? There is like a multi-million-dollar palace and his wife is like, hey, what is all this? Right? So the Lord knows what you need when you need it, correct? Instead, take a guy like Ravana, right? He is a person who shows us how not to be a person. First thing, he was so proud of all his golden palace, his many queens, his whole Sena, and all his accomplishments. All the Devatas were on his feet. Ravana was so arrogant, right? So, see, I want to talk about a small pastime from Ramayana. So, Lord Ram had three types of devotees. One is called Preshya. Preshya means there are devotees who respect Ram from far off, but they are scared to go and talk to him. What if they create an offense? So like Sugriva or Guha, all these people were scared to talk to Lord Ram, but they had their devotion from far off. The next one is called Kinkaram, right? It comes from the Sanskrit word which says Kim Karomi, what can I do for you? So they go near the Lord, they pay obeisances, but they don't touch him, but consider his word to be final. Who's an example? Kinkaram? Hanuman. Very good. Hanuman used to do all the things the Lord said, always nearby the Lord. Yeah, Jai Shri Ram. That means, what can I do for you? Everybody says, I am Hanuman Bhakt. If you are really Hanuman Bhakt, you should become Rama Bhakt. Then Hanuman is pleased with you. They say if you chant Ram, 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 automatically Hanuman comes here. He's so fond of that Ramanama. Right, when Sita Devi the last gave him a Muktinahara, Moti ka mala, Sita Devi ne diya. He's sitting in a corner and biting it. Then Sita Devi asked, what man? I gave him a precious Moti ka mala, tu kyun usko? Why are you biting it? Then he said, I'm trying to see if there is a Lord Ram inside, otherwise this is useless to me. Bandar hai na? So here, all you have to do if you want Hanuman's blessing, all you have to say is Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Bas, Hanuman aage. Okay? Now King Karam, you saw this, right? Now the third one, Dasa. Who is this? Lakshmana. Lakshmana used to massage Lord Ram's feet, cook for Lord Ram. In fact, Lord Ram used to ask for suggestions from Lakshmana. Hey, maybe we should do this. Then Lakshmana will say, yes, you are correct. And Rama Anuja, that was Lakshmana's name. That means, जो राम बोल रहे वही मेरा वेद है. Right? He does not ever cross Lord Ram's words. That's it. Right? So, that is the Dasa. Okay? For example, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri, he saw King Pratapa Rudra sweeping the street with Jadu. How many of you sweep the streets during Rath Yatra this time? I know Mataji did. I saw. Anybody? You sweep the road for Jagannath to come? Jadu Pocha. So in Jagannath Puri, there is a seva where the king of Puri, his name is Pratap Rudra, they will come and sweep the street, and that's when the Ratha will start. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and saw this king doing this. He asked, what is your name? He said, I am Pratap Rudra. Then he said, who are you? He should have said, I am a king of Orissa. He said, I am Dasanu, 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 Dasanu. I am the servant of all the devotees of Lord Jagannath. That's what the king of Orissa said to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu blessed him. Even now, today, without the king sweeping, the Ratha does not move. Okay? How many of you know what is the Neela Mani? Neela Mani. Blue sapphire. It is a stone. Prabhupada uses this example. He used to wear a blue color ring in a Prabhupada. So this finger, if I wear a ring with a blue stone on it, how does it look? Very nice. Correct? Now if I remove the ring, what happens? there is a depression here on the skin. Srila Prabhupada says the human being is like the finger and the blue ring is Lord Krishna. The moment you put that ring on you, you become very beautiful. When you remove the ring, what happens? Tanav, depression, anxiety. This is what happened to Ravana. Even though he had everything, he did not have Krishna. So all these atrocities happened. Right? So there was, do you know, Lord Ram and Lakshmana went to fight with Vishwamitra, right? Because there were demons. They were 12-year-old boys. Vishwamitra said, I need these boys to come and fight for me. Dasharatha was scared. Then this Vashishta Muni said, please send them. Vishwamitra will train them and take care of them. So they went. The Yaga Shala was there. First two demons came. Right? Subahu and Marichi. Two demons came. Rama immediately shot an arrow. Subahu was. Then he knew Marichi was kept for some other seva. So he did not kill Marichi, but he shot an arrow. Marichi flew and fell in the ocean. From Ayodhya to the ocean. Right? Then he came with 14,000 other demons. Then also he fought them. And all this Ahalya, all these pastimes happened. Correct? So, then Lord Ravana, after the Surpanaka incident, Ravana goes to Marichi. Marichi was meditating in the forest after whatever happened. Ravana goes to him and says, hey Marichi, there is this man called Ram who came and killed all my army at this place called Janastha. Okay? Now is Lord Ram a man? No. Lord Ram is not a man. One time while living in the forest, Ram and Sita and Lakshmana were living in the forest. Lord Shiva from Kailasha was looking and he said, oh, Lord Ram is there. So he comes down with Parvati Devi, comes down and pays obeisances to Lord Ram. Only Lord Shiva pays obeisance to Lord Ram. Then Parvati Devi, Durga Devi is asking, why are you paying obeisances to him? Then Lord Shiva says, you don't know who he is. He is now in a avatara, but he is the Supreme Personality. Lord Parvati says, no. Then Lord Shiva says, okay, you find out who is. Then he goes away, Lord Shiva. No, he waits there. Lord Parvati, Ram is crying because Sita Devi is kidnapped. So what Parvati Devi does is, she is Maya, no? She changes herself to Sita Devi and she goes behind Ram, thinking he will see me and at least he can feel happy, no? That I am there. But as soon as Lord Ram saw Sita Devi, this Durga Devi looking like Sita Devi, he says, Jai Bhairavi, kaise hai? Immediately he was able to recognize that she is Durga Devi. Then Durga Devi understood her mistake. Then she paid obeisances. Then Lord Ram showed her the Pattabhisheka Rupa with Sita, Ram, Lakshmana. He gave her darshan. Then she came back. Lord Shiva asked, did you find out who he is? What happened? You paid obeisances here, I paid obeisances there. That's it. After that, let us go to Kailasa. No fighting. Okay, this is in Shiva Purana, this story. So what I am saying is, Lord Ram is none other than the Supreme Personality. But he was born as a Kshatriya and he made sure that his role as a Kshatriya is not, he never expressed that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. For example, 3 days and 3 nights, they were on the beach of Dhanushkodi. If you go there now, there is a Divya Desham called Tirupullani. Right? There was grass there. Pullu means grass. Tirupullani near Dhanushkodi, Rameshwaram. The Lord waited 3 days and 3 nights for the ocean god to appear, Sagara Maharaja, so that he will give permission for the Sena to cross into Lanka. Right? There, he is the Supreme Personality. He could have flown to Lanka. He could have done like this. The entire ocean will open. He could have walked across. So many things he could have done. But he said, I have taken the role of a Kshatriya, so I will do what a Kshatriya will do. So he waited for 3 days. Then he said, Hanuman. Then they built the bridge and then they crossed it. Okay? So, when Ravana went and asked Marichi said, Ravana said, I want to kill this Ram. Marichi said, you don't know who you are dealing with. Who gave you this idea? Only your enemy would have given you an idea. I have met Ram. Don't even think you can conquer him or kill him. He is none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Right? Then he told, he killed 14,000 of my men in Janasthala and he cut the nose of Surpanaka. Still he said, all that is fine, please go and take rest in Sri Lanka. Don't go and mess with this Ram. Right? Have you ever seen when, let us say, a big local councillor or somebody, right, comes and hits your car and they go and say, hey, kya kiya tune? Then somebody will say, sir, don't talk to him, please. You seen that, right? उसके साथ आपका नहीं होगा भाई, घर चले जाओ. And he is a very powerful person. Like that, Marichi is advising Ravana. But Ravana was corrupted in his head. Raga Dvesha Vimuktascha. He had so many likes and dislikes, he got corrupted. So now, he listened to Marichi. Okay, he said, okay, if you are saying Marichi was a very powerful demon, when Marichi says, it means something, so he went back to Sri Lanka. Earlier his plan was to kidnap Sita to basically provoke Ram. Okay, because तूने मेरा पूरा बर्बाद कर दिया, मैं तेरा बीवी को लेके जाऊंगा. Like a normal rowdy he was. Then he went to Sri Lanka. Then Surpanaka came and she said, you are enjoying here. You are enjoying here with your family. You are enjoying here with your family, enjoying nicely, whereas this Lakshmana cut my nose. Then Ravana asked, why did you go there? Why did you go to wherever Ram was living? Why did you go and mess up there? Then Surpanaka puts the entire, what do you call that? She lights the fire. Actually, I went there to get Sita for you. She's such a beautiful woman. I wanted really to get her for you so that you can enjoy. Then she gives her eyes are like this, her mouth is like this, full benki she's putting. Then Ravana now his Dhayatom Vishayam Pumsaha, 2nd chapter Bhagavad Gita. Now Ravana is mentally attached to Sita who has never seen till now. See, Surpanaka wanted to take revenge on Lakshmana. So she put this fire to Ravana. See how the politics plays? Now Ravana turns into this Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Sita asked for the deer. Lakshmana drew that Lakshman Rekha. Then Ravana comes, kidnap. So what I am saying is, there are people like that in your life all the time. And do you think Lord Ram did not know all this is going to happen? He is a person who wanted to show how a person is supposed to live on this planet Earth. What is Nyaya? What is Dharma? For example, his father asked him to go to forest. What will you do today? The father asked, go to forest. You go to forest, give me the paper. पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट निकालो, साइन करो, चलो रजिस्टर ऑफिस जाते हैं, पूरा ट्रांसफर एवरीथिंग, तू चले जाओ फॉरेस्ट. Will anybody go to forest because their father told you today? And he also told Bharata, what did he say? Please do not hurt Kaikeyi or Mantara. The entire Ramayana happened because of Mantara's Dvesha against Rama. Rama in his young age, when he was practicing the arrow, By mistake he shot it on Mantara and all the children laughed. So she had a vengeance against him. Tomorrow when he becomes big, I'll make sure he goes to forest. Then she used a Kaikeyi as an instrument. Kaikeyi had a boon with Dasharatha. You see how it is getting interconnected. So she said, but then Lord Ram is so compassionate. He said, please do not hold enmity against Kaikeyi or Mandara. She is my mother. Okay? Any questions so far? For people who don't realize that Lord Ram is the supreme personality, right? Like Ravana. There is a shloka in Bhagavad Gita. I want to read it for you. Avajananti mamudaha. What happened? Everybody slept, huh? Avajananti mamudaha. Manushim tanusam ashritam. Param bhavam ajananto. Mama bhuta maheshwaram. Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the supreme Lord of all that be. People don't realize Krishna or Lord Ram is the supreme personality of Godhead. Okay? Right? Lord Krishna showed how much. See the Chamatkar Krishna did when Kaliya serpent came in that lake in Yamuna. His Gopa friends, they drank the water and all of them died. Krishna just did a chamatkar, all of them came back alive. Or lifting the mountain. He did things which is not humanly possible. Okay? Okay. Any questions so far? I know I'm just talking about Ram Katha, but the actual point here is Lord Ram doesn't see your qualifications. At the same time, he doesn't want you to become his army. You become Prabhupada's army. I don't want you to go and fight because saying I'm Ram Avtar. Right? Okay. I want to finally finish with some divine qualities of Lord Shri Ram. Okay, like I said, there are 67 qualities of Lord Ram that Narada Muni tells Valmiki. We won't have time to talk about all 67. Okay? But Lord Ram was a Maryade Purushottam. Okay? At least out of the 67, I have picked and chosen 4 very important for all of us. Char Guna. The first one, most important one. What do you think is the quality? What is the most important quality of Lord Ram that you think is important? First one is patience. Sahan karna, tolerance. Matra sparshastu kaunteya, sitoshna sukha dukkada, agamappayino nityas, stam sitikshashvam bharata. Sitikshashvam means tolerate, be patient. Okay? Lord Ram was well known for his patience, especially when we practice our devotional service. All of us in Bangalore have high patience. Do you agree? Yes? 1.5 hours you can wait in traffic? Yes? That is not the patience we are talking about here. The patience is in your practice of devotional service. Prabhuji, yesterday I chanted 2 rounds. Today I am not able to see Krishna Prabhu. Right? We want to do a little bit of effort. We want high amount of returns. Ability to endure and wait. Like I said, 3 days and 3 nights, the Lord waited on the beach of Dhanushkoti. Even if you go there, please try to make a trip to Rameshwaram and Dhanushkoti. Okay? Maybe we can organize a trip. I don't know. Right? There are some very important places in India like Chitrakoot. So very important place of pilgrimage for devotees of Lord Ram. Chitrakoot, Panchavati, right? Rameshwaram, Dhanushkoti. So many places. Right? There is a place here called Lepakshi near the border of Karnataka and Andhra. They say that is where the Jatayu bird fell. That's why it's called Lepakshi. Right? But I don't know how true that is. But there is a temple there if you want to go. There's a Shiva temple there. Okay? One must be able to balance sorrow or joy. Not because I'm sad, I'll bring the whole world down with me. Right? There are people who go into depression due to anxiety. You know what is anxiety? Anybody? What is anxiety? No more petrol from tomorrow. Now petrol is there. But when I say this, no more petrol from tomorrow, there is something that comes to your head, no? And keeps eating you. Hey, no petrol, no petrol, no petrol, no petrol, no petrol, no petrol, no petrol. Keeps doing that, no? That is called anxiety. The problem has not yet happened. You imagine the problem and feel bad about it. That is called anxiety. Okay? How many of you are in IT? IT world, anybody? हाँ हाथ ऊपर करो कितने लोग सॉफ्टवेयर में हैं अभी? Shall I give you an anxiety? AI. Huh? All of you now don't want to eat. Correct? Now. Lord Ram is compared to the Himalayas in patience. 14 long years of exile. Anybody can go? 14 years. And the condition was that he should not take any of his possessions. No jewelry, nothing, no bartan, no LPG, nothing. All he was allowed to take was his bow and arrow. Nothing. So he has to go to the forest. Lakshmana found all the wood. They built a hut, jhopadi, and they have to stitch their own clothes. They have to fetch their food, water. For who? For the Ayodhya ki Raja. Right? Yuvaraja is going through this. How many of you will be patient? Okay. Okay, Rama, patience, okay. He married one lady, no? तू जंगल जा रहा है मेरे को क्यों आना है? डिवोर्स पेपर साइन कर दो. This is our Indian culture. जिधर मेरा प्रभु है उधर मैं रहूंगी. Strange, no? This was our culture. Patience. Okay? Right. Now what is the next quality of Lord Ram that you all love? Anybody? Nobody is participating today.
Renunciation.
Renunciation. Very good. Anybody else? That's a very good quality. Anybody else?
Acceptance of division. For example, he accepted in.
So that is the third quality. But now, the second was courage. जो भी आए देखते हैं भगवान है हमारे पास. How many of you have this attitude? Or how many of you get scared? The Lord is with me. Yes. You have that courage? Huh? How many of you feel strength that the Lord is with you? This is called Mahavishwasa. मेरे साथ भगवान है. Like a baby in its mother's arms. Is the baby scared? रात को क्या खाएंगे हम? कहाँ से लेके आएंगे खाना? कल करंट बिल कैसे भरेंगे? Does the baby feel any of this? This Mahavishwasa that our Lord is with me. No matter what, if I go through difficulty, Lord is with me. If I am with happiness, Lord is with me. This is what should be your takeaway. मेरे साथ भगवान है. This is the Mahavishwasa of a devotee. Right? No matter what, Name Bhaktya Pranashyati. The Lord will not abandon me. Many shlokas he has said. Yogakshevam Mahamyaham. So many shlokas. Okay? So, in the Panchavati forest, Shurpanaka came and she was attracted to Lord Ram. Ravana was attracted to Sita. You can see the problem. So what happened was, Shurpanaka went to Lord Ram and she took a rose or something and she said, Lord Ram, I am in love with you, I want you to marry me. He said, Amma, I have taken a Ekapatni Vrata, so I am sorry, I am already married. You can ask Lakshmana. Lakshmana, she went and asked again rose, right? Valentine's Day she went. Lakshmana said, listen, I have committed my entire life to saving Lord Ram. So sorry, I am also committed, I am not available. You know, Shurpanaka could not handle the rejection. She said, "Kaise nahi bolega mere ko?" Then Lakshmana he cut her nose. So she ran to her other brother called Kara. She told Kara, listen, this fellow cut my nose, man. Already I look ugly and now nose is also there. Not there. So Kara sent 14 big heavy Rakshasas to go and murder these two fellows. Both of them took care of the 14 Rakshasas. Then Kara and his brothers Dhanusha and Malla was there. And then 14,000 Rakshasas, they all went to this place, Janasthala. They also, Lord Ram stood in one place for 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. Same place. He killed 14,000. He said in Valmiki Ramayana, 14,000 people he killed off. So that courage. I'm not asking you to go and kill people, please. But when that Lord can do that, why won't he protect you? Did anybody go starving today? किसी का ऐसा है घर में चावल नहीं है, आटा है नहीं है, किसी के पास ऐसा है? किसी को I don't have a place to sleep. Anybody here? Who's giving you all this? कोई ऐसा आदमी है जिसके पास अरे मेरे को रोटी नहीं है, घर में धंधा पानी नहीं है, ऐसा कोई है इधर? This is the Lord's protection for you. Okay. Next one is compassion, divine compassion. 5 more minutes, I'll wrap it up. Now, being compassionate towards another nice person is easy. But being compassionate to your enemy, that is my Lord Ramachandra. There are 4 types of people. Parasukha, Sukhi. Paradukha, Dukhi. When somebody else feels bad, I also feel bad. When somebody else feels bad, I am also sad or happy. Now there is a different class of men. Paradukha, Sukhi. हाँ? कोई है ऐसा? Paradukha, Sukhi. आपा. कोई ऐसा है? I'm so happy he is suffering. और भारत सुखे दुखी. अरे क्या यार, उसको मिला है, कितना सुंदर बीवी है वो. बंदर को ऐसा मिलेगा क्या कहीं? Right? There are people like that. भारत सुखे दुखी. But Lord Ram is not like that. He is compassionate towards his enemy also. Lord Ravan also he says, please surrender to me. I don't want to kill you. He tells him nicely. Still that fellow, hey, मैं कौन हूँ पता है? काट दूंगा. Finally, what happened to him? So Lord Ram is compassionate. Like you know so many stories, right? Gilahari, Shabari. He was so compassionate. Ahalya, right? So, in fact, one of the last days of the war, Ravana lost all his weapons. Lord Ram said, now if I kill you, it is not dharma, yuddha dharma. Please go home, prepare, tell your wife that you will be gone, inform all your friends, eat nicely, sleep nicely, come back tomorrow, kal tera कितना cold blooded warning है ना ये, right? Go tell everybody and come. That guy is such an idiot, man. Okay. Right? There was one son of Indra called Jayanta. He came as a crow, where Lord Ram and Sita were living in the forest. He came and bit Sita Devi and she started bleeding. Lord Ram got irritated and he took a kusha grass. You know kusha grass? Dharba. If you don't know, please look it up. Kusha grass, very important. Oh, lunar eclipse, you put it in your bartan, no? That is kusha grass. He took a kusha grass and he made the Brahmastra for that crow. Then Sita Devi said, he did it by mistake, please forgive. So Lord Ram forgave him. But Brahmastra means you have to engage it. So he engaged it and the crow lost one eye. If you see today crows also one eye, it will keep you white. Okay? Right? After the last war, Lord Ram said, see Ravana is gone. Hey Vibhishana, please do the Antim Samskar for your brother. Vibhishana said, no, this fellow is such a nonsense fellow. I will leave him like that, let the crows and animals eat him. I am not giving him a Dahana Samskara. No, Lord Ram said, no. He is your brother, Jeshta Bhrata. You should do Antima Samskara, Sanjayana, Dahana Samskara for him. This is a dignified way of sending him off. That is Lord Ram. Even for Jatayu, right? Lord Ram personally did the Antim Samskar. So of all the things you can do for a person, doing their Antim Samskar is the most respect you can give to them. Okay? Nowadays people live in different countries. When somebody passes away, they are not able to come. And the Antim Samskar does not happen properly. Please at least from here, from Lord Ram did his Shraddha Tarpana in a place called Gaya. Even if you go there now, there is a Vishnu Pada there. For Dasharatha Maharaja, he did an Antim Tarpana in Gaya. So if you do for Tarpana in Gaya, for your forefathers, it is supposed to be very beneficial in Gaya. Okay? Almost coming to the end. Last one was Kritagnya, gratitude. Right? For all the people who helped him during his journey, Lord was very gratitude. Like I said, Jatayu, he did the Antim Samskar. And all the Vanara Srena, everything at the Pattabhisheka, he was giving thank you and he was giving gifts. What did Vibhishana get? Anybody know? Huh? Yes, Vibhishana got Lord Ranganatha in Srirangam. That deity was personally worshipped by Lord Ram in Ayodhya. Vibhishana said, hey, you have come to Ayodhya now, who will take care of Sri Lanka? I am worried. Okay, what do you want? He said, the deity you are worshipping every day. If somebody asks the deity you are worshipping every day, will you give? Let us say your favorite Laddu Gopal or somebody doing puja every day. I come to your house and say, Mataji, I like this, can I take it? What will he say? Hey, okay. But Lord Ram said, this is what you want, take it. And somehow that deity came, that is the only south facing temple in Tamil Nadu. And Ranganatha was kept there. It's a bigger story. It's a 2-hour class. I'll give it to you later. But now today in Sri Lanka, that deity of Ranganatha is looking to Sri Lanka. Earlier they did not have a Gopuram because the Lord has to see Sri Lanka. Later they built the Gopuram and they say that led to the civil war in Sri Lanka. Okay? Anyway, that's a longer story. But you learn gratitude. So what are the 4 qualities I said? Patience, courage, compassion and gratitude. कोई हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए ये 4 गुणों. साहस, courage, साहस. What is patience? Patience is Dhairya. Dhairya means courage, no? पेशेंस भी सहन करना। हाँ, तीसरा क्या है? करुणा। ओके, फोर्थ वन ग्रैटिट्यूड, कृतज्ञता। ये चारों हमको लॉर्ड राम से सीखना है। ओके, आई विल स्टॉप राइट देयर। एनीबॉडी, एनी क्वेश्चंस? बोलो राजा रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम। एनी क्वेश्चन?